How to overcome anxiety and stress. Hi and welcome to our video about dealing with stress and anxiety. Stress and anxiety are normal problems that many individuals deal with on a daily basis. But they can significantly affect your mental health and quality of life when they become overpowering. I'll give you some useful tips for controlling stress and anxiety in this video. Step number 1, identify your triggers. Finding your triggers is the first step in conquering anxiety and stress. Triggers are circumstances or occurrences that make you feel stressed or anxious. You can take actions to prevent or control those situations once you are aware of what makes you anxious and stressed. To assist you in figuring out your triggers, keep a journal or utilize a mood tracking tool. Step number 2, practice relaxation techniques. Relaxation exercises are the second step in conquering anxiety and stress. You can lower your anxiety and stress levels by using relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga. Choose a relaxing method that suits you best, then use it frequently. Step number 3, seek support. Seeking support is the third and last step in conquering anxiety and stress. Speaking with a dependable friend, relative, or therapist might make you feel less alone and provide you the support and inspiration you require. Consider consulting a mental health expert for help if your stress and anxiety levels are high. Although anxiety and stress can be difficult to control, they can be conquered with the correct tools and assistance. You may lower your anxiety and stress levels, enhance your quality of life, and find support by recognizing your triggers, using relaxation methods, and reaching out for help. I appreciate your viewing, and I hope these 3 steps were useful.